Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about this small tiny house which is 23 feet by 28 feet. Here in this video, we will discuss about the spaces. We'll discuss about the circulation, the rooms, and the entry here. In this house, we can enter from here. On and the entry here is a small foyer, and a foyer they have given the powder room here is, and from the foyer we can enter directly to a living room. Here it is. In living room here is a dining table with direct kitchen. Here is the kitchen, the freezer, as well as here is the cupboard and the TV table. Here is small study area. You can study here, and also from the foyer we can enter to a bedroom. Here is a bedroom. Here is cupboard for a bedroom. We can see the kitchen area. Here is a small window between the kitchen and the bedroom, and here is a attached washroom for this bedroom. Hope you like that. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Thanks for watching our video.